Hi guys, this is Gerard Shiftinglands and this is a special video. This is a special video dedicated to my good friend, cameraman Ruben, who is working on a Kickstarter. He is working on a short movie. It's all about Dungeons and Dragons. The working title is A Journey to Die For. It's about a guy who played D&D a lot. And now he is playing D&D in real life. So imagine this, you're at a table playing D&D. So what are you doing? You're imagining a world where you are in, where you play in, the things you see, the things you encounter. Now turn it around. You are in real life and everything you see in real life reminds you about the moment you were sitting at the table playing D&D. So he sees a monster, he sees a miniature.
There will be a lot of challenges for Axelor. Such as facing off foes.
But in real life, it's not a miniature, it's a dog.
Come on, you beast! Come on.
Whatever. He sees a big ruin, a foam castle, but in real life it's an old barn. So it's a very strange concept, but it brings a lot of humorous, hilarious moments to the table, you could say. So it's a crazy concept, and I've seen some stuff, and it's really cool. So for all these little mindfucks, I need to build foam stuff so we can actually alter a highway bridge into a ruined whatever, or well, you name it. So yeah. I think, well, you have to do with that. And if you want to know more and if you want to see more, go fund the guy so he can make a short movie. So again, a big shout out to Ruben and his project. As you see this video, the Kickstarter will be there. He needs some money to fund the film. He did a lot of short films already. You might want to check that out to see what he is capable of. Anyways, no crafting for now. There will be a lot of crafting because of this short film, which we will also document so you can see what we are working on and how we do it. But anyways, check it out. Best of luck, Ruben. I know you can pull this one off. Take care, guys. Cheers.